This is what it's like. I'm driving to the Kingdom Hall in MacArthur, and near whiteout conditions. Actually, look, there's two cars in front of me, but you can hardly see them. And it's snowing everywhere. It's really neat. Really neat. Yeah, that was my window wipers. Pay attention. What you doing, Jeannie? Okay. I just swapped hands. I guess it's not a good idea to take your hands off the wheel in the snow. Okay. But this is what it's like. It's snowy, snow. White. Oh, here comes a car. There. It's a truck. It's a pickup. With another one behind it. Serious business. Okay. Alright, just an idea.